In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to transform your photos into whimsical cartoon-like images. Whether you're looking to add a touch of fun to your social media presence or create unique artwork, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll want to open Perplexity AI. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, it's an innovative platform designed to provide creative solutions, making your photos stand out instantly. Once you're on the main interface of Perplexity AI, you'll notice a chat box where all the magic happens. To the right of this chat box, keep an eye out for the paperclip icon. This tiny icon is your gateway to uploading any photo from your device. Just click on it, and a range of options will appear to help you navigate the upload process. Now, select Upload Photo from your device. Depending on your device's setup, you might need to browse through your folders to find the exact image you want to transform. Take a moment to ensure the photo you choose will work well as a cartoon. Images with clear lines and defined subjects tend to convert best. Once you've selected and uploaded the image, you'll return to the chat box. Here's where you get to decide exactly how you want to transform your picture. Simply type your request. For example, you might write, "Make it look like a cartoon." Feel free to get creative with your requests. The tool is capable of a wide variety of transformations. After typing in your instructions, you'll need to give Perplexity a few seconds to work its magic. This is the exciting part. In no time, you'll see your edited photo display on the screen. Once Perplexity completes the transformation, take a moment to admire the work. The platform uses advanced algorithms to ensure high-quality results, so the finished image should capture your imagination and meet your expectations. Finally, when you're satisfied with the edited photo, it's time to save your work. To download the image to your device, simply click on the Download button. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose a location on your device to save the file, or it might go straight to your designated Downloads folder. Once it's saved, you're free to use your cartoon-style image however you please, whether sharing it with friends or setting it as a fun new profile picture. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of Perplexity AI to turn everyday images into playful works of art. Feel free to experiment with different photos and requests to see just how versatile this tool can be. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy exploring your creative potential.